I'm sorry, farewell. They say newcomers are so slow. Yeah, trust issues, not to mention. They say niggas not your intention. You live to learn, treat your city next to you. You live to real people sitting next to you. You forget it, I get this sitting next to you. Never on outside. These ones are hard.